What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewisTrading.com, and today we are talking about the trade of the day, which is on the spot price of crude. Now, the last little while, I've been looking for these movers that I traditionally trade, and they're a little bit scarce. The market's looking a little bit thin. All of the movers that I've been running after have been breaking down time and time and time again. A lot of head faking, lots of chop, partially because of earnings, partially just because of broad market volatility. And, I was having some challenges looking for some good stocks to trade. I always default to oil through my CFDs account. And today and last night, I was just shorting this thing. And anytime I was given a short setup, I was taking price action lower. Now, what you'll see over through here is I was given a nice little setup, and you see that we had some moving average resistance. Price action just broke down. We caught a part of this move into yesterday evening, closed the position overnight, and then this morning when I was waking up, getting ready for the markets, I was noticing that we were actually setting up again, and momentum down through here was taking a bit of a turn. You can see the price action spiked up and then just came right down through all of its moving averages and trend line support and got extremely bearish. Now, this is on a 5-minute chart, and this is just for summary purposes, but I'm generally trading on the 1-minute chart as well. Highly volatile charts because it is crude, it's a spot price, and that's what we were doing today. So there wasn't a ton going on out there with the stocks. So I had to just come back over here to the crude, and I was using the CFDs to take advantage of some downwards movement. You can see right through here that we've got this nice little relief rally bull flag. Really, though, I think at the end of the day, following the overall general daily trend on oil, this will probably rally up a little bit if it can, and we'll probably see it break down. This is kind of my level right through here at 68.74. And if price action gets a little bit heavy and comes through here, we'll then start to make our next leg down. So anyways, this is what we were watching. This is what we're trading. Just wanted to put it out there, let you guys know that we're still active. But the overall equities market was a bit of a challenge today. And so we're just waiting for earnings seasons to end and looking for these movers to come back. If you have any questions, we're at info@jlewisTrading.com. Thanks for watching.